Today, I'm going to ask one very important question. Do you get bothered by people? Do you let others to decide what is happening within you? Do you hold anger like poison? Are you a joyful person or a miserable person? What is slavery according to you? है ना बहुत सारे सवाल जो आप कभी अपने आप से भी पूछते होगे been asking yourself. So today I'm going to share something about how not to get bothered by people. बहुत important है because ज़िंदगी एक है आपकी ज़िंदगी है. You are the one who will decide what will happen in your life, and it's very important to understand to make your life happier and flow with it. We all, even I have gone through the situations and realized and felt that things changed when जब मैंने ये समझा ये realize किया कि whatever I used to do or solve a problem people used to copy. The self introspection helped me कि I am a solution maker who can make other people's life happy, so why not mine? Remind yourself that you are not born alone, but yet you are born alone, and we all will die alone. Life is a journey, a place where happiness is the only way. Life journey is important, not the destination. We all often talk about it and heard this quote from the best of the authors and the best of the speakers. We are all alone in the universe, but still we are not. आप जो भी willingly करते हो या unwillingly करते हो वो डिसाइड करेगा कि your life is heaven or your life is hell. The fundamental of your life is only this: when you do things willingly, अपने मन से करते हो, no matter what, it's the smallest thing or the stupid thing, you make your life more joyful and more happier. So the power lies within you. You can uplift your thoughts, your consciousness. You can be your own door. You can create your own path without in comparison to anyone. The best way to live a life is to create your own path. That makes you visionary. Now the question is, do you have incremental way of enhancing your life? Do you arrange your life, rearrange your life? Because it's very important that in the life journey we come across different people, we come across multiple thoughts, we come across things, ways, and our life transforms based on our situation with, and it can only happen when you're arranging and rearranging it. प्रॉब्लम लाइज कि हमने अपनी ज़िंदगी को फॉर ग्रांटेड लिया है और वी लिव अ लाइफ विथ एन एटीट्यूड. मोस्ट मेनी ऑफ आई हैव सीन पीपल, even I was at point of time, we lived a life with an attitude: I will do this thing with this person willingly or unwillingly. I will like this person, I will not like this person. बहुत extreme thoughts हैं हमारी life के which stretches our mind. Two different aspects of life. Moment we are such extreme, we are only one thing. We are disastrous for ourselves, not for others. What we create, people behave accordingly. Please note that. If you react or if you are doing unwillingly, it is actually you are giving the power and control to others. So we are the one who decides how will be the environment within us. We have variety of people around us and they have with their experiences, understanding. Anybody who is not like us many a times disturbs us. Just see it without any comparison. We all are born as a unique entity by the universe, the supreme. So let it be that way. Let's accept each other. I have become 100% to life, and I think that is the only way of being completely 100% willing to live your life your ways and let others live like their ways. And that doesn't let others to decide what's happening within you also, isn't that? So how I am is my choice, so it is with others as well. So let's keep this privilege of being self. Let's not be a slave by letting others to decide what's happening within us. What happens around us is not at all our concern. Now, my motto of this talk is to make you understand that flowing with life helps you to make your life better. Now, if you want to make something better, then let's choose something better. You will find your way yourself. Just flow with life. Your life is all about you. It is precious. It is one life. It is your life. It's time to take charge of your emotions, your thoughts, the way you look towards life. It's you who will decide how life will be. Because life does not come within a refined frame or a well plated platter in front of you. What comes in your journey is the choices you make, declutter your life. Subscribe this channel, like the video, and reach out to us. Talk to us. We would love to talk to you and connect to you. Write to us at yoursoulsoup@gmail.com, or you can also post your comment in this video below. We will definitely reach out to you because we help you design your thoughts. If you are really and willingly looking forward to design your thoughts and have a better way of life, look back at your life and write to us. We will help you and design your thoughts. Always there for you. Love you all. God bless you. Have a good day.